Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. The price line of Doge has broken out two patterns one after another, and in today's video I want to discuss the targets for those breakouts after those breakouts with you. And I also want to discuss another very big resistance, an upcoming resistance that Doge can break out for a really very big move. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to begin with this pattern that I shared with you on 24th of June, and this was the pattern that I first shared at Patreon, and then I also shared with you on the YouTube as well. And this was a very big bullish harmonic cipher pattern that Doge completed in the month of June. We also had a very nice support of the 25 simple moving average on this weekly time frame chart, and this 50 simple moving average support below the buying zone. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line reversed bullish, hit the sell targets, and we had some correction, and after this correction the price line has again hit the sell targets. And these sell targets I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence that starts from 31.48 cents and goes to 50.65 cents. Now let's move to the daily live time frame chart to show you how the price line has broken out two patterns one after another. First, the price line formed this down channel. This was the resistance. We had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, and we had a very strong rejection here as well. And this is the support of this down channel, and you can see that the price line tested this support so many times, and here the price line finally has broken out this resistance of the down channel on 18th of October. At the same time, the price line also had a resistance of the rising wedge as well. You can see that we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, we had another rejection, and this was the final rejection, and the price line after this rejection has finally broken out this resistance. And here we have the support of this rising wedge that is coming from here. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce, and this was the final bounce before breaking out this rising wedge. And if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then this is really very nice time to buy, because after the breakout the price line has tested the previous resistance as a support on the 4-hourly time frame. So we have the first confirmation on the 4-hourly time frame. However, on the daily time frame, the price line is not closed above this resistance of the rising wedge yet. For more safe trade or buying, we can wait for the price line to close above this resistance of the rising wedge on the daily time frame. But I'm pretty sure that soon we can have a closing above this resistance, because previously, even recently, we have already broken out this resistance of a very big falling channel, the down channel. Therefore, this rally can be continued, and this will be another confirmation for a very, very big move, this breakout from this rising wedge. Now, the target for this down channel can be here, that is approximately at 35 cents. And if I show you the target for this rising wedge, for that I'm just going to place this trend line here at the breakout point, then you can see that is approximately the same. It is showing 36 cents, so we can expect that the move can be up to 35 cents is confirmed after this breakout. And now our next key resistance will be at 35 cents as well. Like in my previous videos, I have been telling you that our key resistance is 26 cents. Once the price line will be able to break out 26 cents, there will be a big move. Now our next resistance will be at 35. Once the price line will be able to break out that resistance, then we can expect a very, very powerful rally after that, because this 35 cents level has been working as a very, very strong resistance since month of April 2021. I'm just going to place this trend line here on the weekly time frame chart at 35 cents. And you can see that we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, and after breaking down this level on this candlestick, it has been working as a support, but after breaking down it has been working as a strong resistance. You can see we had two rejections here, then we had another two rejections. Right now the price line is again going to break out this resistance level, and during this move I'm expecting that the price line can break out this level, because if I connect the support lines, the bottom of the candlesticks, like we had a bounce from here, we had another bounce from here, we had another bounce from here, and we had another bounce from here, and after connecting all these candlesticks, we can see that we have a formation of a very big ascending triangle. Right now the price line is at the end of this ascending triangle as it is getting squeezed and more squeezed, and now the price line can break out the resistance or break down the support very soon. I'm expecting that it can break out this resistance of the triangle because we are having a very nice bounce by the support, and we have already broken out two patterns on the daily time frame chart, one after another. Therefore, there is a very strong probability to break out this resistance on the weekly time frame. Now, in case of breakout, what can be our next target? To show you the conservative targets, I'm just placing this trend line from here up to this support and placing it here at the breakout point. Then our next target can be approximately at 59 cents. But if I show you the targets according to this level, from this resistance up to this support of this symmetrical this ascending triangle, then in this situation our target can be approximately up to 70 cents, and in that situation the Dogecoin can also try to break out the final resistance and set a new all-time high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.